Hey guys, my name is Tony Martin and I'm the owner and operator of TNT Consign and Sell on 36 Cromer Avenue in Grand Falls, Windsor. I've been in the recreation, RV and power sports industry for nearly 22 years. And my family and I are proud to introduce you guys to the new service we're providing to Newfoundland and Labrador. Many people have pre-owned power sports products home in their gardens, in their driveways, in their garages. Maybe you don't have time to use it, phenomenal condition, and you want to sell it. Here's where we help. Just like a realtor, we can list all your equipment on our website, display it in our beautiful 3,000 square foot showroom or at our facility on our parking lot, and help you find a buyer for that quickly. As a dealership, we're bonded, licensed, and insured. We can offer financing, we can offer warranties, and take all the hassle out of you selling. No more will you have to worry about strangers knocking on your door, phone calls, text all hours of the day and night. We take care of everything and your privacy would be protected. And if you're looking to buy, let us know what you're looking for. At TNT Consign and Sell, we only want the best products that your money can buy. Low mileage, excellent condition, no accidents. We want nothing but the greatest equipment, and we can offer on the spot, low interest rate bank financing, warranties, and even life and disability insurances on your loan. So if you're curious what TNT Consign and Sell is all about, give us a call at 489-7653. That spells 489 sold. Or you can email us. Email is on the bottom in the comments. All means drop by and see us here at 36 Cromer Avenue in Grand Falls, Windsor. TNT Consign and Sell, we make selling simple.